Hi guys, welcome to the lecture on left joins. So before I show you how left joins look in a SQL statement, I want to show you how joins look visually so that you can understand them better. So for that, let's go on to w3schools.com and go to the SQL tutorial, and down there, let's go to the join section, inner join. We saw how inner join work in our previous lecture. But this is how it looks visually. So inner join keyword selects records that have matching value in both table. So we have table 1, we have table 2, and this green section here are the matched values, the matched records, and this is what we get after doing an inner join. Let's go on to left join now. So left join, as the name suggests, left. That left actually means give me all the records from the left table, the table 1, and only the matched records from the right table. And if there is no match in the right table, then just give me null. So as you can see in this definition, the left join keyword returns all records from the left table, the green section, and the matched records from the right table, this intersection here. And the result is null from the right side if there is no match. And as you can see, we use a left join keyword for doing a left join, and that's what a left join is. But how can we use a left join? So for that, let's go on to our console and we'll do an example. So imagine you want to count how many orders were placed by each customer, including customers that have yet to place an order. How can we achieve that using SQL? So for that purpose, we will have to use something called, as just we saw, left join. And this is how it will be. So again, our task is to see how many orders were placed by each customer, including customers that have yet to place an order. So we want all the customers. So whenever we want all the customers, we will use left join for that. Select customers.custID and order number from customers table. And now we are going to use our keyword left join. And what that's going to give us, that's going to give us all the records from our left table. And what's the left table here? That's the customers table. Left outer join. You can also call it left join, but I'm going to write the full left outer join. Orders on customers.custID equals orders.custID. And you know what? Let's also order this by leave it, save it. So what exactly is happening here? In this select statement, we are using a keyword left outer join, which will actually give us all the records from the left table. This is the left most table, and this is the right most table, the orders table. So this statement here is going to give us all the records from the left table and the matched records from the orders table. And if there is no match on the orders table, it's going to give us just a null. So let's run this now. Source join script.sql. Awesome. So as you can see, if we go back on the customers table, we have all these customer IDs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will get all those IDs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 IDs, and we got the matched records on the right here. And there's as you can see, there's a null here. That null means there was no matched value for this specific ID. As you can see in the orders table, there is no ID with a 2 in the end. So as you can see, there's no record. That's why we got a null here. So that's pretty much it, guys. So whenever you want to retrieve records, you want to do joins between two tables, and you only want records from the left table, and you want the matched records from the right table, use a left join. It's just gonna save your life.